Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show the demo of machine learning project that I have created. That is our iris flower classification. Iris flower classification. It take petal width in centimeter. Based on the data provided, it predict the images. Now I provide the sepal length of 1, width 2, petal length of 1 and petal width of 2. Now it predict the images of Virginica. Similarly, I provide the sepal length of 5.1 and 3.5, width and petal length of 1.4 and petal width of 0.2. Forward. Now it predict the image of Setosa. Only this much for this video. Thank you for watching guys. Please guys subscribe, like and comment below.